Troopers. Let's get that back over. There we go. Getting MC04 here from Walmart, 1198, 2014 Bowman. But before I get to that, I got a message. Thursday night, well, first of all, it's finally a rain-free Texas. I'm happy about that. Thursday night, we had a bunch of flooding. Like, half of my town on the other side of town, the other side of the tracks. Really is the other side of the tracks. Flooded, and I don't know if y'all seen my previous video, my response to Sean Hewitt's contest. You saw where I park at work, and where it is kind of a little ditch pretty much, but there's parking down there. That's where they want the overnight employees to park. Well, we had a storm come through and it just stalled over us, and it flooded that parking lot pretty bad. By the time they came and got us, right as soon as, it was still low, but they could tell it was filling up. So it wasn't even 5 minutes I was out there, and water was up to my driver's side window. My car completely flooded. I've been vacuuming it out. Vacuuming, puddle keeps coming back. Actually put sawdust down there and it's actually helping. But my car smells like wet sawdust now. The reason I wanted to get this out is this is for Greg Thomas 82. My plans was, when I got off that Friday morning, putting your package in the mail for the contest win. And the package was in the floorboard. Completely destroyed what I was going to send to you. So I'm going to get something back out to you. I'm working on that right now. So I'm lucky my car started. I was not very happy with the situation, but what else can you do? But I was lucky my car started, and I'm very lucky that I wasn't sitting in it. So yeah, let's get on to this box break. Clearance. Well, my plan wasn't to buy cards. I was going out there and buy some socks. But I'm like, you know what? I'm going to buy me a pack of Bowman, since it's on clearance. So let's see what I got. 8 packs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep. Alright, here we go. Will Sutton. Let's see. Anton Edson. Ryan Tannehill. Drew Brees. Here's a 52 Bowman Mini of Jason Verrett, the Chargers. CJ Fedorowicz. Damian Williams. That's the first pack. Mike Davis, Mike Evans, DeMarcus Ware. I don't think I have that one. I think it's the chrome one that I have. I'm not quite sure. Darrell Rivas. This next one, EJ Manuel purple. That's cool. Jared Abbrederis, Louis Nix. Jackson Jeffcoat, Rajon Neal, Mr. Purple, Morgan Breslin, Denard Robinson, Gronk, Julio and Mrs. Jones, Jeff Matthews. Cody Hoffman, Trey Mason, Aaron Dobson, Wes Welker, Golden Tate. I have this one in the purple. I don't have the base one, so Mod Dixon for my Cowboys and Baylor PC, and Alan Hearns. Anthony Thomas, Zach Mettenberger, of $3.99, little gold foil type fashion of Ray John Neal, Jordan Reed, Marshawn Lynch, Gino, and Deion Buchanan. 3 packs. Come on, Otto. Daddy needs new shoes. Ah, here's the PC guide, Cyril Richardson. Trey Millard. Aaron Rodgers. Discount double check. Luke Kuechly. And it's just a Robert Quinn. George Atkinson III. And Jake, I wish I could play with my daddy Matthews. I don't know how he plays. I haven't watched Atlanta all year last year. So, Javion Clowney. Another PC, Lacey Strunk. Monte Ball. Tavon Austin. It's cool, the little die cut of Andre Ellington. Got some shine to it. AJ McCarron. And Stephon Tuitt. Last pack. This one has 2 color. Jordan Matthews. So blue out of $4.99. Craig Boston. Purple, Paul Richardson. Kevin Johnson. Reggie Wayne. And there's more. Jason Verrett and Morgan Breslin. Well, that's it, YouTube. Again, don't have much to say. Later.